Welcome to the tutorial for the T2202 tax form. What is the T2202 Tuition and Enrollment Certificate? A T2202 is issued to a student who was enrolled and paid tuition during the calendar year in a qualifying educational program or a specified educational program at a post-secondary institution, such as a college or university, or at an institution certified by Employment and Social Development Canada, ESDC. What are the important changes coming to the T2202? The form T2202A has been renumbered to T2202 for the 2019 tax year. The title of this form has not changed, just the numbering system. The student's social insurance number, or SIN, has to be included in the T2202 certificate per Canada Revenue Agency's requirements. Why is the amount on my T2202 different from the amount I paid? There are a few possible reasons. Eligible tuition fees are based on the calendar year for which the fees are assessed, not the date on which the fees are paid. Or, courses taken for purposes of academic upgrading to allow entry into a university or college program are not eligible, such as Math 099, EAP courses, and UPRE courses. When is the T2202 available? The T2202 for the current calendar year, January to December, is available on February 28th of the following year. For example, the 2019 tax year T2202 became available on February 28th of this year, 2020. This year's form will become available at the same time in 2021. The most recent 3 calendar years are available on myAC. Students can view and print these forms as needed. Only the most recent 3 calendar years will be available directly to students. To ensure that you can print your T2202 for 2019 year's income tax purposes, please go to the Profile section of your myAC student portal and enter your SIN. It is available via self-serve documents on myAC as of February 28, 2020. Please take a few moments for this demonstration on how to enter your SIN into myAC and download your T2202 form. To upload your SIN number and gain access to your T2202 form, you'll need to log into myAC. Once you've logged into myAC, go to the My Profile tab on the side menu or the My Profile box on the main screen in order to edit your information. Once you've clicked on My Profile, it will direct you to the My Profile page. Here you can review your personal information at the top of the screen and scroll down to enter your social insurance number for income tax reporting purposes. Enter your SIN number into the text field shown here, and to verify that you've entered it correctly, click on the eye icon before hitting Save Changes. If you want to know why we're inputting this information, there is a small explanation at the bottom. If you want any more questions answered regarding your SIN number information, please visit the Government of Canada website link at the bottom of the screen. Once you've entered your SIN number correctly, click on Save Changes. Once you've saved your SIN number, you can access your T2202 tax form by clicking on My Documents. On the My Documents page, please click on Self-Serve Documents to open up the page that references the T2202 tax form. Now that you're on this page, you can see a variety of forms to choose from. The form we're looking for is the T2202A Tuition, Education, and Textbook Amount form. In order to download the form, first select the year that you wish to download from the drop-down menu, and then click on Download. This will create a PDF. If you have problems viewing the PDF, please make sure to access from a personal computer. Who can I contact regarding my T2202A for 2016 and the previous years? For questions regarding your T2202A for 2016 and the previous years, please email your request to T2202@alexandercollege.ca. Please include your full name and student ID number in all correspondence. Please be advised that Alexander College does not provide any tax advice. For further information, please visit Canada Revenue Agency's website. The URL is showing on the screen below. Thank you for watching this tutorial of frequently asked questions regarding the T2202 tax form.